here to give you an exciting update. Today onwards, Curry and Spices Ranju Zone is available in English also. You wanted it, right? So here it is. So keep watching Curry and Spices Ranju Zone and don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Okay?
Now let's see what is required to get your Eggkeema perfect. 4 boiled eggs and 2 onions that medium size finely chopped, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 green chilies, chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt as per need, oil 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup, coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. First, we have to grate the boiled eggs and keep it aside. Here I am giving one tip. Pressure cooking with salt or 1 teaspoon of vinegar is an easy way to get your boiled eggs quickly. Wait for the first whistle and your boiled egg is done. Now heat oil and saute ginger and garlic till the raw smell goes off. Now add onion, green chilies and salt and saute till the onion becomes golden brown. Once this done, add tomatoes and cook on low flame till it becomes soft and mushy. It will take almost 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. We have to do it on low flame. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute. Now add Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, and pepper powder. Then first I forgot to tell about cumin powder. You have to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and mix well and saute till the oil separates. It will take approximately 5 minutes. Now you have to add the grated eggs and mix well. Then add 1 cup of water and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. At this point of time, you have to adjust the salt and cook for 5 minutes. Now switch off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves. Now our yummy Eggkeema curry is ready to serve. You can serve this with roti, naan, paratha, anything of your choice. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Thank you.